What is up, guys? How's your day? I hope it's good. Thank you so much for the warm welcome from you guys. This is so heartwarming for me. So today I'm going to give you guys some tips to improve your art skill fast. This is based upon how I improved myself for these past few months, and this is so very helpful. So prepare your notes and your drawing tools cause this is going to be a long one. This is 5 tips to improve your art skill fast. I hope you guys enjoy it. 1. Don't make the same mistake. We always make mistakes. Who doesn't make mistakes, right? Even artists make mistakes. When you invest your time on your drawing so much, you think you have done a very awesome result of your drawing and you just said, yes, this is it. And you just go spend some time later after you're done drawing. Suddenly, you come back to see your awesome drawing. At that moment, you can see what mistakes you have done to your drawing there. And you just said, why didn't I saw that when I draw this? This can happen because your brain just got numb from all the long time you draw. When this has happened, you need to take your notes, write down what mistakes did you done and just remember it. Or you can take more time to fix your art again, it's okay too. But remember when you draw again on another day. Remember what mistake you have done that day. Like maybe, that day I drew my mouth too low. I need to make it fixed this time. Or, my color that day is so muddy, I need to get it right this time. This is very helpful to improve your art. Like Iron Man. The real power he has is the power of improvement. If you guys watch the Avenger Infinity War, if you guys haven't watched it yet, I highly recommend you to watch the Avengers. Who doesn't like Avengers anyway, right? So, in the scene when Iron Man gets hit by Thanos' Power Stone beam, he blocked it with his shield. The result is, his nanotech gets damaged there. But in the Avenger Endgame, he changes his shield to an energy shield. You can see, improve yourself by don't make the same mistake. Be like Iron Man. 2. Invest more time to your art. Carry your time with your art. Take a stroll with her or go out with her. Invest more time to your art is very important. If you guys get impatient when drawing, you have a problem there. Take your time more. Maybe an hour or maybe more. When you spend more time when drawing, you'll get more time to improve more too. 3. Learn from other artists. This tip is very helpful for you guys to improve and find your art style. There's a lot of artists out there that have amazing art skill. You can search it on any social media, maybe YouTube, Instagram, and other social media. If you want to know what art style I got, you can look at how I draw my character faces. Does my facial drawing look familiar to you? You can make an experiment with all of your arts. I want you guys, right now, these exact minutes, to write your 4 artists that make you inspired. When you done write it, now, I want you guys to take an element of it. Like, I like how this artist draw with eyes. I'm gonna learn how to draw it. Experiment all of it as much as you can, until you found the right style that suits you. I'm gonna tell you this. My 4 artists that inspired me are Rostran, Sam Yang, Walid Fegali, and Imad Awan. These 4 amazing artists inspired me art so much. Rostran with his colorful color dodge, Sam Yang with his concept about shape, Walid Fegali with his awesome concept art style, and Imad Awan with his dark color style. I combined these 4 artists into my own style. This is very suits me. With this, you can find your own art style. If you found your own art style already, well, congratulations, because with you finding your very own art style, you can make better art more and comfortable and more awesome. Wait, I'm gonna stop you there, because now is the time for shoutout. Today's shoutout is from Walef_00. He is an amazing artist. As you can see here, I think I love how he draw this. This art style gives me back to like a Renaissance style art. But I think From all of these posts, I love this Batman artwork because the focal point is so direct. As you can see here, the focal point is the dark lighting and the bat mask. Remember guys, when you draw, bring up the focal point. Like this Batman artwork. If you guys draw Batman with lighter color and no bat mask, the viewers don't know who you draw. Remember that. So guys, please follow his Instagram account here. He's an amazing artist. So if you guys want your account to be shouted in these videos, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And don't forget to follow my Instagram account. My Instagram account is in the description below. Don't forget to DM me in Instagram to let me know what post should be highlighted in the shoutout. The shoutout will be in my Instagram story and my next video in YouTube. Okay, back to the tips. 4. Join an art community. This is very important too. Don't underestimate it really, because community can help you improve more. Why? Let me tell you. When you have an art community to hang out or just giving feedback, you will have a feeling of comfort because you hang out with other people who have the same interests. Art communities sometimes have an art event where you guys can compete or art feedback to other artists out there. The most important is the feedback. This feedback from other perspective is very important. From these people can give you an advice to make your art more awesome, of course, and to make your improve faster. But the first thing is you need a thick skin. Thick skin is very important because some people don't like their art get criticized. You must not get this over you. Don't be a hard-headed, be a great listener, and accept all advice from people. That way you will grow more in art and community. 5. Reflect and be grateful. This one is the last tip and very important from all tips that I already gave you. Every artist needs to reflect their art skill. Sometimes you need to step back and just reflect yourself. How far did you go? How far did you work hard to achieve all these achievements? Take some minutes to do this. If you have any religion, you should pray to God for all the things you receive. Or if you don't have religion, you should meditate. When you do this, I want you to see all the past struggle you went, all the work hard you put through. You can do this not just in art, but all aspects of your life. This way, you can get to know who you really are too. Be grateful from the thing you achieve. Like maybe months ago, you can draw hands in the correct way. Now you can draw hands more fluidly. All the things today can't be here today if you didn't give your hard work in the past. This is the important tips, guys. Don't ever forget this. Reflect and be grateful. This is all the tips that I have to help you guys to improve your art skill fast. Is it too much? Or you want more maybe? Maybe I can give you guys more, but I think that's all for now. Don't forget these 5 essential tips. Please subscribe, like, and share this to your friends or your beloved ones. And now, because there's still time, I'm gonna give you guys so you can take a look at my art. Still a long time, so just enjoy it. I'm going to see you guys in the later, I think. Okay. And this is my finished art. The main color is pink, cause it's almost Valentine. So what better color than pink to celebrate Valentine? So this is my video for today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.